Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Department. I am Shikha Shah, lecturer in Civil Engineering Department, Azure Polytechnic. In this video, we will discuss the subject Design of Steel Structure and the topic name is Bolted Connections. These are the contents of this video: types of bolts, black bolts, high strength bolts, advantages and disadvantages of bolted connections, types of bolted joints, failure of bolted joints, and at last steps for design of bolted connections. Types of bolts. We all know that members in steel structure like angles, plates, channels are connected by means of bolt or weld. These are the types of bolts. Black bolts are also known as C-grade bolts or unfinished bolts, turned bolts, ribbed bolts, high strength friction grip bolts. Now black bolts. Black bolts are made from mild steel bars and having square or hexagonal head and nut. This type of bolt is used for lightweight structures and used for temporary fasteners for erection where HSFG bolts are used as permanent fastener. The structures on which impact, fatigue and dynamic loads are acting, the type of bolt are not preferred. High strength bolts. High strength bolts are made from medium carbon steel. In steel construction, class 8.8 and 10.9 bolts are used. The tensile strength of these bolts are as high as compared to ordinary bolts, so less number of bolts are required for connection. The pre-tensioning of high strength bolt is known as high strength friction grip bolts. Now, advantages and disadvantages of bolted connections. Advantages. There is no risk of fire, unskilled workers and simple instruments are used for connection, erections can be done faster, the small correction in measurement can be done easily, the connection can be reopened and reused easily. Disadvantages. The slip of joint occurs in black bolted connection. As time goes, the connection of bolt becomes loose and strength reduces by time. The connections on which the vibration in loading occurs, the design of bolted connections becomes tough. Now types of bolted joints. There are two types, lap joint and butt joint. Lap joint is one plate is overlapped on another plate, and in case of butt joint, two plates are placed at same level and one or two extra plate is used. In lap joint, there are two types, single bolted lap joint and double bolted lap joint. And in butt joint, there are also two types, single cover butt joint and double cover butt joint. Failure of bolted joints. Shear failure of bolt, bearing failure of bolt, tensile failure of bolt and bending of bolt. And in case of plate, shear failure of plate, bearing failure of plate and tensile failure of plate. Steps for design of bolted connections. In examples of bolted connections, the given data are: for two plates thickness or for angle the size is given, the tensile load on connection is given, the size of bolt like diameter is given, the grade of bolt and plates are given, the size of gusset plate in case of angles is given, and we have to find the design strength of bolt or bolt value. Now step 1, which is basic calculations. First of all, we have to calculate the bolt hole diameter, and it is from IS 800-2007, table 19, page number 73. End distance. End distance is given in clause number 10.2.2 and pitch distance is given in clause number 10.2.3. Now step 2, shear capacity of bolt. It is given in clause number 10.3.3, page number 75 in IS 800-2007. The shear capacity is given by VDSB is equal to VNSB divided by gamma B, where VDSB is the design strength of the bolt, VNSB is the nominal shear capacity of bolt, and for VNSB the equation is FU by root 3 NN ENB plus NS ASB, where FU is the ultimate tensile strength of the bolt, NN is the number of shear planes with threads, NS is equal to number of shear planes without threads, ASB is the nominal plane shank area of the bolt, and ANB is the net shear area of bolt with threads. Bearing capacity of bolt. It is given in clause number 10.3.4 page number 75, IS 800-2007, and the equation for design bearing strength of bolt is known as VDPB is equal to VNPB divided by gamma MB, where VNPB is the nominal bearing strength of bolt and it is given by the equation 2.5 into Kb into D into T into Fu, where Kb is smaller of 4 values, E upon 3d0. Second equation is P upon 3d0 minus 0.25 as shown here, and third equation is FUB divided by Fu, and fourth is 1. Among these 4 values, the smaller value is the value of Kb. E and P are end distance and pitch distance. D0 is the diameter of bolt hole. FUB and Fu are ultimate tensile strength of the bolt and plate, and D is the nominal diameter of bolt. Design strength of bolt. From the equation of shear capacity and bearing capacity, compare the two answers and the minimum value is known as design strength of bolt or bolt value. And from this value, we can find the number of bolts required is equal to total load divided by bolt value. So, in this video, we have discussed the topic bolted connections. Hope you understand all the topic. Here, I have given one link for self-evaluation of this topic. Thank you.